In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase and Cloud Firestore for a React web app. First, open the Firebase console in your browser and sign in with your Google account. This is your control center for everything Firebase, and you'll use it to create and manage your backend services. Next, create a new project, click Add Project, give it a clear, memorable name, and follow the on-screen prompts. You can disable Google Analytics here to keep things simple for development. If you prefer to keep analytics on, just know there are a few extra prompts, but it won't affect the steps we're focusing on today. When your project is ready, you'll land on the project dashboard. From here, register your web app so Firebase knows you're building for the web. Click the web icon that looks like angle brackets, enter an app nickname that helps you recognize it later, and click Register App. The nickname is just for your console and doesn't affect your code. Firebase will now show you a configuration snippet. This is a small JavaScript object containing keys like API key, auth domain, and project ID. Copy this entire object and keep it handy. You'll paste it into your React app to initialize Firebase. Treat it like project configuration. Don't commit it to public repos or share it where you shouldn't. With the app registered, set up Cloud Firestore so you can store and query data. In the left sidebar, open the Build section and choose Firestore Database. Click Create Database. You'll be asked to choose a starting mode. Test mode is fine for development because it allows reads and writes while you're building. For production, you'll later switch to lockdown security rules. Next, pick a region close to your users to minimize latency, and then click Enable or Create to finalize. Remember, the region choice is important and not easy to change later. After a moment, you'll see the Firestore interface where your collections and documents will live. That's it for the console setup. You now have a Firebase project, a registered web app, the configuration object ready for your React code, and a Firestore database enabled. In your React project, you'll initialize Firebase with that config and start interacting with Firestore using the SDK. Take your time with the prompts and read each description so you understand what's being configured. If you found this helpful, give it a try right now while the steps are fresh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.